Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Ariel Bedesos. I'm 25 years of age. My height is 5'6". I'm single. Senior high school graduate. My course is ICT, Information Communication Technology or Computer. I have attested the automotive in C1 and in C2. And I have experience as mechanical maintenance at San Miguel Corporation for 2 years and mechanic in Balyacar Transit Corporation in 2 years and 6 months for auto service at MCKL Auto Service. And I have experience in JQA Heavy Equipment Mechanic, and I'm willing to cook. I'm I'm willing to clean the house. I love pets like dogs. I do car wash or anything. Also, I can drive the motorcycle or four wheels. And I hope, ma'am and sir, you hire me. Thank you.